At Go Live, we've had 38 schools come to watch Tina the Musical for an education matinee.
A church house, tin house, schoolhouse, outhouse, on highway number
1,100 14 to 16-year-old kids in the house today for our backstage workshop. At Tina, we've been running these since pre-COVID, and it's been absolutely fantastic because working with Go Live and with Sita and our team, we've been able to radically increase the number of kids in schools. We get into our building on our education days, which we're running now twice a year and are completely sold out.
The workshop was such an important part of the experience for young people.
I think it was good that you did it at the beginning, so that the students can see like exactly how the show was produced and everything. Exactly. That was really good.
Some people live and you if you got the money, people on the river are happy to get.
They want to get into this as a career, they can branch into lighting, sound, costume, hair, makeup. I think it was just a great insight for them.
That even if one of you sees one job today and says, wow, I could do that, I'd be good at that, that looks really cool, I'd love to run automation in the West End, then we have one.
Our education matinees are always a highlight of the Go Live year in the calendar, and we hope to do it again and again throughout the whole of the semester.